Norfolk Railway. Delighted to welcome Alex and so many supporters from far and wide to see Newstead re-enter service after a gap that's incredibly long and a story of remarkable survival. I won't bore you with its last 50 years of history, but I'm going to hand over to Alex to officiate at this ceremony.
It's hard to know what to say. This is a monumental day. The first words have got to be thank you. Thank you to everybody who's here, coming, supporting it. Thank you for everybody, to Nathan and the group from Dean Valley who discovered the engine and great enthusiasm got it rescued from a convent. I have to say thank you to Ruben and Owen, two of the volunteers who worked on it for years. Just put the nameplate on, so now we can say the engine's finished. At last. I must say thank you to Norfolk Railway. Everyone here has been absolutely brilliant. Really enthusiastic people, really diligent, really careful, really skilled, and really nice people. It gives me enormous pleasure and grateful thanks to everybody who's helped over so many years to say this engine is ready for service for passengers for the first time ever today at Norfolk Railway between Sheringham and Holt. Thank you, everybody. All right, 3, 2, 1.
I'm not rethanking that.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Alex. Congratulations to Alex and the team. And there's nothing conventional about Newstead and her preservation. But as Alex said, she is going to haul her first ever passengers in her 96-year history. So I think we're going to do a few group photographs, and then Newstead will back onto the train, and you're all very welcome to climb aboard. Yeah.